Thank you all for gathering here today at this dedication ceremony for the new Student Center.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to say a few words about this project that's been near and dear to the hearts of the Bergmeyer team for the past 4 years.
This renovated, revitalized, and reimagined Student Center continues to be more than brick and furniture, but an atmosphere in which understanding will continue to thrive and grow, and an accessible, inspiring, and welcoming place for all.
This building needed to feel uniquely Wooster. It meant that the space needed to feel welcoming, inclusive, and safe.
There are certain offices that were not accessible.
And from one staff member came the idea that the student support spaces upstairs should wrap around the commons like it was giving the students a hug.
As a student, my favorite part of the redesign is really just the entire second floor. Ever since it opened, I've spent many hours there.
It really fosters welcomed conversation between the students, the faculty, and the staff, which is really important. I love how there's open spaces for collaboration, there's tables, and of course our little private nooks if you need a smaller, quieter space to study.
But now that Lowry is fully open again, campus really does feel whole.
Without question, this date could have only been met in one possible way, and that is with a complete and total team effort.
You got this?